Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to video call someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to video call someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and over here guys, open the chat box of the person whom you want to video call on WhatsApp. If that person is not on the chats list guys, you can see the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that plus icon and there will all be all of the personnels on your contact over here of WhatsApp and those who have not signed up on WhatsApp as well. And go to the chat box of the person whom you want to call on WhatsApp. And after opening the chat box of the person whom you want to call on WhatsApp, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon and a phone icon and a video icon. Tap on that camera type video icon like this, and again tap on call, and then you will start to video call that person on WhatsApp. And if they are online, they will pick it up and you will have a successful video call. And with that being said guys, this is how to video call on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.